अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, आगे बहुत दूर जाना है। एक ही तो तमन्ना है, अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत प्राउड फील करवाना है। Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, this is Pratik Srivastava here, and in our today's video, I am going to talk about the Capgemini queries which most of you are asking on multiple videos. Okay, so what is your superset status? It is accepted, or it is applied, or it is offered, and few of the chats which I had with the student, and few of the queries, few of the comments which was there on our videos, and at the end I will be giving you the suggestions what you should do at this point of time. So friends, whatever information I am going to share with you, so that is based on some facts what I have collected from the student. So there is no information which I will be telling you and that will not have any connection with the truth or the fact like other channels. Definitely we will not bluff with any one of you. Okay, so friends, most of the queries which we are receiving is, sir, we still did not got the email, right? So we appeared on examination on 28th of April, or 2nd of May, so we still did not get the mail yet. Sir, should we wait for the interview or not? Okay, friends, after interview, sir, there is no update from the Capgemini. So sir, what should we do? Okay, so our superset status shows still applied, our superset status shows offered, and our superset status shows accepted. So what are the meaning of all those things? I will be discussing with you today. Okay, so friends, when you wrote the examination, after that, so once you completed the 4 rounds, okay, so friends, you had pseudocode, okay, and then you had verbal ability, okay, and then you had game based aptitude, and after that behavioral test. So friends, after this 2020 student and 2021, so here also, friends, Capgemini is a very big company, and definitely the recruitment process will take time. They do not have to hire 10 and 15 students, so definitely thousands of students they have planned to hire. So they are doing in batches, they are doing in the graduation year. So please watch the video till the end, because there are many factors which are applicable only for 2020, many are applicable only for 2021. Now friends, so as for the information what we have received from the student, so 2020 batch student has got the work style report immediately, that means next day or the very same day of the examination, if they have cleared all the 4 rounds. Okay, so friends, after getting the work style report, okay, so you are getting calls for interview, and there are many people who attended the interview, and then they have also got the letter of intent. Okay, now, so friends, there are multiple steps here. So once you write the exam, so for 2020 batch I'm talking about, so you will be getting the status as applied. Even for 2021 also, the status is nothing but applied. Okay, now friends, for 2020 they are proceeding with the interviews. Okay, and for 2021, many of you have not even got the work style report. Okay, so many of you have not got the work style report also, so you do not have to worry at all, because you are not the only one. There are many students who has not got the work style report. Be very clear with what I am talking here. Okay, now 2020 have got work style report, and if they have cleared all the 4 rounds, so now their question is, sir, that means I am eligible for the interview. So now friends, here this is a very big question. Okay, so that we will only come to know after few months. See, Capgemini process take times. It might take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So there are many of the student, those who have already got the interview calls, and they have also got the letter of intent, and even we have captured their interview experience. So one of the student is Manisha, so we captured her, we took her interview experience on our channel few days back. Okay, now people are getting in slots, so it doesn't matter you wrote on 19th of April or 28th of April or 1st of May. So you will be getting the interview mails in slots because there are multiple students, they need to hire it. If so, now the next question is, does Capgemini send rejection mail? Yes, Capgemini do send rejection mail, but definitely if you have got the rejection mail, then you are very clear that you are rejected. But if you have not got the rejection mail, then you have a hope that you will be getting interview mail as well. But friends, now if you have not got the interview mail, then what you should do? So right now I will say, just start your preparation for the other exam. Along with that, you keep doing this interview preparation also. The 2021 student, you will be getting the work style report also and interview calls also. So friends, okay, the same thing will happen with 2021 student also, so you do not have to worry at all. So friends, once you have written all the exams, then the status shows applied. Once you clear the interview round, so once you clear the interview round, then this gets changed to offered. This gets changed to offered. Now many of the students will say, sir, did I? So I have seen many of the comments, so if I read the comments, then okay, so just let me read the comments here. Okay, so sir, good evening sir. Yesterday I attempted an interview at Capgemini and now the status is showing offered. So what does it mean? So friends, if your status shows offered, then most likely you will be getting letter of intent from Capgemini. But in the many cases also we have seen, right, the offer cancelled. So friends, why this happens? Because many of the students will do a bluff, right? So after your document verification, so once you get offered, right, and then you will have to, right, submit some documents and all. So friends, you can see offer cancelled because many of the student, they does not meet the criteria of 60%, right? So they will have less marks than that, and then they will start bluffing. In that case, their offer will also get cancelled. There are multiple reasons. One of the reasons I'm telling you here, so if you get offered, then there is 99% chance that you will be getting letter of intent. That means you will be getting the offer from Capgemini, right? So you can see, so once you get letter of intent, after again you need to upload some document and then your status will change to accepted, right? So you can see letter of intent and even your package. So many of the students will also ask about the package. So engineering MCA batch 1920 off campus. Okay, so friends, you can see this is on Pan India. So your package is 3 lakhs per annum, right? So here you can see the package is nothing but 3 lakhs. So friends, there are stages are there. So definitely you need to wait, right? So even though you wrote exam, see there are many people who wrote the exam in May, right? Suppose May 2nd, and some wrote 19th, but the 2nd May student has already got selected, got letter of intent. Friend, trust me, Capgemini hires in mass. So there are a lot of students are there. They need to check on the requirement. Okay, so if you're from CS, if you're from electrical, so they hire in that criteria also. So they might hire first CS student or electrical student or civil student. So friends, everything they will be doing with a process. So you cannot be in hurry and then get to know, right? So friends, applied means when you clear all the 4 rounds, applied. After your interview, you will be getting a status of offered, and once you receive the letter of intent and you receive it, then your status becomes accepted, right? Okay, now so you can see some of the chats which I had with the student. So yes, when I got letter of intent, it was showing offered, and after I have to accept it and upload my document within a given deadline. After submitting document and accepting terms and condition, it will show accepted. So this is I had a chat with one of the student. Then the beginning it was offered, and then she got letter of intent. Okay, still it was showing offered, and once he accepted the letter of intent and uploaded a document within the given timeline, then it moved to accepted, right? Okay, now so friends, few of the queries which I have taken here. So sir, I have attended TR and HR on 13th of May but could not hear anything from them. So Subham, see, basically we will have lot of comments, like more than 200 and 300 comments, and there will be many comments which will be similar type. So that is the reason I thought this is the best way to answer to all of your queries. So Subham, so you check your superset status. So what is the superset status? If it is offered, right, then you need to wait. You will be getting letter of intent. Okay, and in any case you need to wait before you get rejection mail. Okay, so as I said, now your status should be offered, and after that letter of intent you will receive, and then you will be an employee of Capgemini. Okay, so once you accept letter of intent, then there is no way they are going to cancel your offer. Okay, sir, I have given my exam. So Binay is asking, sir, I have given my exam on 28th of April 2021, and also I got work style report on that day only, but till now I did not get TRHR round. So friends, as I said, Capgemini hires in mass. Okay, so it depends upon your branch, it depends upon their requirement, everything matters, but you will be getting it. Do not worry, keep a hope, but along with that I will also tell you, please prepare for the other exams as well. Sir, I would like to thank you for all your great efforts you make to benefit of the student. It really helped me to crack the Capgemini interview, and I have got my offer letter to join as intent by tomorrow. So congratulations, Devika. So friends, there are many people who really appreciate. There are many people who will abuse also. So friends, we will take all the comments. There are many students who will definitely not respect the faculties or those who are teaching here, but there are many who are really very much grateful to us. And friends, we are not working for one or two, we are working for you all. So comments like this definitely motivates us, and we really work very hard for you guys, because taking a screenshot of all those things, collecting all the information, talking to a student, it's not a simple job. You just watch a video for 5 or 10 minutes, right, and you comment something and go away. But how much effort we put, that we really we can only understand, right? Okay, sir, I had my exam on 5th of May, and I have cleared all the 4 rounds, but did not receive any work style report or any mail. So should I lose my hope? No. So you should definitely not lose all the hopes, because as I said, there are mainly many students from 2021 batch, they have not received. They're not one, two, three. So at least I know there are more than 500 people, those who have not received. Okay, so might be 2021, very few have received. So you no need to worry about that. Keep a hope, but only keeping the hope will not work out. You need to prepare for the other exams as well. Sir, I gave exam on 20th of April and got the work style report on the same day. Just wait, Prajwal. Don't, okay? So don't be sad, don't be unhappy. Things will definitely be in favor of you. Okay, so even though it is merit based, but you guys are really putting a lot of effort, so you will definitely get it. Just give them some time, they will hire. But as I said, the bulk hiring is there, so you need to wait. Sir, I gave my exam on 11th May. Okay, till behavioral proficiency, my batch is 2021. I have not received any work style report. Yes, so 2021, not only you, many students. So this student, if they will comment, if 2021 student, if they will comment on this video about work style report, you can see there are many who has not received. Okay, so fine, there is no problem at all. Okay, so do not worry how many days it will take. See the days and all, now people are also asking for Infosys results, so days and all is not fixed. Company works on their requirement, so this information will not have with anyone. Even we have some links with the superset, but this information nobody will be having it. Okay, so sir, I have done my interview on 20th of April but did not receive it. I did not understand whether I am selected or not. Okay, should I wait for letter of intent? Okay, so yes, you need to check, Sandeep, your superset status. So what is the state? Okay, so either it is offered or it is rejected, right? So you need to check that, and whatever I have discussed here, so according to that you have to wait. Okay, do not worry. So do not take a decision that I am selected or I am not selected. Things takes times, because Capgemini is a big MNC, right? Okay, now, so friends, few things which I wanted to say here. Please do not stop here. Do not worry about your selection and you are not selected thinking about Capgemini. You wrote the exam, you are not getting your emails. There are a lot of exams which are happening, so please focus on that. Okay, friends, there are a lot of opportunities are there, so do not worry at all. Friends, I will just tell something which I have written for you. So abhi to bas शुरुआत है, आगे बहुत दूर जाना है. So this is in Hindi. अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, आगे बहुत दूर जाना है. एक ही तो तमन्ना है, अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत प्राउड फील करवाना है. So friends, you do not work for yourself. I always say for you, right? So do not work for yourself, work for your parents, right? So अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, आगे बहुत दूर जाना है. आपने एक एग्जाम क्लियर किया है कैपजेमिनी का. You have, cleared the written test, right? So that will give you confidence. So अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, आगे बहुत दूर जाना है. एक ही तो तमन्ना है, अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत प्राउड फील करवाना है. फेलियर तो अभी बहुत मिलेंगे, ठोकर तो बहुत खाना है. फेलियर तो अभी बहुत मिलेंगे, ठोकर तो बहुत खाना है. कुछ भी हो जाए, अब तो जिद है कि बहुत दूर तक जाना है. So friends, Capgemini is not only the exam which will decide your future. You guys are more talented than what you think. Okay, so your talent, right? So we know, right? So we are continuously monitoring you, continuously doing things for you, friends. And the other things which I wanted to bring in front of you. So friends, we always, trying hard to get the interview experience of the selected student. But again, we see many of the students will comment, sir, you are making this video as they have got selected in Google, they have got selected in Microsoft. Friends, we don't know the situation of the people. There are many students, those who are suffering from lot of problems, and for them, getting a selection in Capgemini is no more than getting a selection in Microsoft, getting a selection in Google. So friends, do not laugh at others. Okay, if you are good, join Microsoft, join Google. Okay, but do not mock at others, right? So these are the people who have really put effort, whatever they can. There are many who are not good at coding, but they have put effort, and then they have got selected into some of the company. And that is what dream come true for us, friends. When I was in my college, I got selected in Infosys, and I was from a very good college, not from IIT and NIT. I was from MSRIT, MS Ramaya College. I got selected in Infosys, and trust me, I did not sleep for whole night. I was so happy because I was not good at coding, and I did not have much interest in coding, and I got selected in Capgemini and sorry, Infosys. And trust me, it was something like getting selected in Microsoft for me. So I know there are many students like me. For them, Capgemini, for Wipro, right, and Accenture. So these are the companies for them is not less than Microsoft. So please appreciate. If you don't want to appreciate, do not comment. Otherwise, it shows that what is your level. Okay. So friends, please be here with us. So we are really working very hard for you, and whatever is possible, we are doing. And whenever you feel demotivated, friends, just read this again and again. अभी तो बस शुरुआत है, आगे बहुत दूर जाना है. एक ही तो तमन्ना है, अपने पेरेंट्स को बहुत प्राउड फील करवाना है. So friends, do it for your parents. Don't do it for yourself. Okay, because they have done a lot for you. Whatever you are today, whatever we are today, all because of them. So just salute to them. Keep your preparation high. Do not leave any kind of opportunity. We are always there with you. Thank you.